Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the Range Rover Evoque 2.2 Dynamic. Vehicle is just arrived as a part exchange and is presented in the Orkney Grey. Nice, clean, tidy example with some good options, including being the Dynamic. It also comes with the factory Land Rover Black Pack. So we've got the LED and xenon headlamps, you've got the gloss black grille there, and the lower bumper protection is also finished in contrast silver with the black line that runs right through there. Right onto the side, it's got the option 20-inch alloy wheels finished in high gloss black. It has also got the correct Land Rover Spec Pirelli Scorpion Verde tyres. Being a four-wheel drive example of the Evoque, again you're going to be really handy and glad to have those correct spec tyres. As you can see, it has also got the fixed side steps, which are not only a nice looking feature, they're also good for protecting getting in and out of the car. Gloss black mirrors, front and rear privacy glass, and again, not only does that look nice, it does also give a bit more protection to things that may or may not be left inside the car. It's got a full fixed glass roof, which again does look gloss black from the outside, but it is in fact a fixed glass roof. It's got the comfort access, so you can lock and unlock the car very easily from the outside, as you can see there. Really nice and easy bit of kit to have on any vehicle, but in fact nice to have on this one as well. Nice contrast leather, so it's full black with the white stitching. Both front seats are heated with the electric movement. It's got the Meridian audio system, illuminating sill kick plates, which I was mentioning earlier. That's what having the side steps protects. For the rear space then, for a car in this sort of area, this sort of market, there is plenty of them, but I don't think you'll find one that is as plush, spacious and as comfortable as the Evoques. A very, very nice vehicle for that, and again, thanks to having that fixed glass roof, it feels extremely spacious and nice and light inside the cabin of this Evoque SD4. As you can see around at the back then, again all nice and neat and tidy in that Orkney Grey. It's got the rear spoiler extension in high gloss black. The tailgate is electrically operated, as you can see there. That then opens up to reveal a very, very impressive boot size. Again, in this type of market, this car fits into. I don't think you'll find one that matches that boot space. Certainly not one that's going to match it for the interior space and boot space together. Round on the driver's side, again, you can see that is in really nice condition. The Orkney Grey does work really nice with the factory Land Rover Black Pack this car comes with. If we just hop on inside then, fire up the car. There's the door. Again, really, really comfortable place to be in. Everything kind of in arm's reach, which is typical Land Rover sort of way of laying things out. You've got this lovely chunky multi-function steering wheel. You've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume functions, paddles for the automatic gearbox. The automatic is definitely the one to go for in my opinion, especially with this style of Evoque. It's covered just over 128,000 miles. You've got your colour touchscreen system up here for the navigation and multimedia. Let's go first of all for the nav, and we'll move on to the media next of all, I think. So a nice clear navigation system, all ready to rock and roll. You've got a really, really good choice of multimedia on this car. There is a CD changer, front CD slot, DVD, CD, iPod, Bluetooth, USB, AUX. So again, plenty to keep everybody entertained on the journey. And there is also DAB radio as well. Sure that's turned down, but again, DAB is all ready to go. If we just back out of there and go back to here, there is also the TV function that this car comes with as well. And again, just let that boot up, click that to full screen it, and as you can see, we've currently got BBC News on. But again, all working really nice, so you can park up, have that on the go. You can also have it on whilst you're driving, but it will blank out for the driver's view. So again, nice to have the TV and a DVD function on the go as well. Down here you've got all the climate controls for the front heated seats, dual climate control, air conditioning, and as I mentioned, being a four-wheel drive Evoque, you have also got the all-terrain response system as well. You can also engage the dynamic system on this vehicle, and then you get a nice red glow to the dials as well. So there is a look around this very nice SD4 Range Rover EVOQUE. If you'd like to know more about the car, including prices and funding options, please do simply check out the links that will be left available for you below in the description. For now though, thank you, take care, bye bye.